G'day, I'm Corban, and in this video we'll be talking about the Titan PX range. This is Te Pari's option of a pneumatic powered, lever controlled cattle crush, which sits above the Lenta range but below the Taurus auto sorters. In this video we'll take a quick look at some of the key features of this crush. So being pneumatic powered, you've got control over the rear entry gate, the parallel side squeeze and the head bail. And it's all controlled from this dashboard here at the rear of the crush. And all these functions have proportional control, which means you only need to open it as much or as little to let the animal in, which helps speed up the operation. So now let's demonstrate some of these functions. So we'll start at the rear, we've got the sliding gate. Now what you'll notice is this gate opens onto the offside, whereas the Lenta range pulls across to the operator side. And if you did have two animals in the race pushing up together and you only wanted to open it so much, you can simply just press and hold the lever down a little bit, like that, let one animal in, and close it again. Next is the parallel side squeeze. Now simply off the dashboard here, take that all the way in. Now the benefit of this is that if you were running a lot of smaller animals and you wanted to just set the width in a little bit narrower so they wouldn't turn around, you can do that, as it uses the same locking system as the head bail. So you can bring it out just as much as you need it, or bring it all the way back down. And at the front of the crush we have the C1000 Headbail. This is our flagship headbail here at Te Pari, with our pipe yoke design and the lifetime warranty on the locking system. And again, you've got proportional control just off the levers here. So say you're bringing one in to headbail it, you just open it a little. As the animal enters, you can close it up, and then obviously to release it, you can open it all the way out to the full width of the crush. So a key thing to point out about the head bail is that it doesn't just rely on the pneumatic ram to hold the head bail closed. We use a mechanical lockbox as well, which we back with a lifetime warranty. Next is the yoke. So it's a piped yoke to help reduce bruising, and then the diamond shape of it stops the animals from sawing their neck once they're held. So now let's look at some of the other features. So I'll start at the back of the vet doors. Now on the operator side you've got a split gate top and bottom, and the bottom gate here will kick in behind the animal using the kick latch. That will lock in here, and so when if the animal does kick when you're in behind it, you are protected and the gate can't swing back on you. Now to close it, we've got a two-way slam latch here, so you can just swing it back around from the inside and it will latch shut. Like so. And then obviously closing from the outside latches straight in as well. All these latches do have a nylon bush in there, which helps to reduce that steel on steel noise. Now let's talk about the side gates. So on the Titan, you got the option of a 2 or a 3-piece side gate. This is a 2-piece gate, and what that is a sheeted lower gate here, and a single upper gate. Now you can operate them together, so if you wanted to draft out of the crush from the operator side, you can simply pin the gate down, lock that latch out, and just open it up like that. What we call our 3-piece gate system, you'll see there's a third gate that is at the front here, and then this is a small fold down gate at the back, which is typically used for branding or clipping. And then this front gate can be turned into an integrated EID system. So if you want to see more about that, check out some of our other videos online. And on all models, you get the anti-backing system. This includes this bar here, which you can slide in at the back, and then simply use it on a stubborn animal to apply some more pressure. What makes this system unique is the collar and the track here, which means if an animal is thrashing around, they cannot kick the bar out as it is locked in. It needs to come right to the front before it can be removed. The next feature to talk about is the needle access at the front of the crush. So what we've done is put a cutaway into this frame here, and then made it so you can remove this bar like so, And now what that means, you've got great access into the neck of the animal when it is in the head bail. Previously, you'd have to come around the side of the gate here, and that can be a risk if the animal does move while you're around there. For the floor on the crush, we've got a steel sections which are rubber lined with rubber cleats on top. This gives excellent grip to the animal, as well as reduces the noise and the glare that you'd get with a traditional steel floor. Now, all steel components of the crush have been fully hot dip galvanised. They're made from Australian steel and they're fabricated here in New Zealand. If you'd like to know more information about the crush or other models we offer, have a look on our website or give our team a call and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.